Hi everyone, there's a bus. Anyways, hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, don't know what I'm doing. That's the point. My curls are falling. Curls are falling. We are doing something colourful, and that's it. All the buses are coming now, like right now. Anyway, this is the look. Here's the video. There you go. Enjoy. Right. First things first, we're going to start with foundation. This is MAC Face and Body, as per usual. Then we're gonna conceal, don't feel with Collection Lost Imperfection concealer. Who's shouting? It's like 6 in the morning. Got a little carried away there, but that's okay. To set my under eye, I'm gonna use to set my under eye, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me powder. Look at that. Nice and dirty. I say under eye. All over my eye. And then for the rest of my For the rest of my face, I'm using MAC, what is it called? Mineralized Skin Finish. Duh. I use it all the time, I forget what it's called. Okay. It's very early. This giant brush is a Morphe E41, by the way. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm dropping things. For the eyes, I'm using this Morphe, what's called the 39A palette. This is what it looks like. And I'll be using mainly this bright purpley pink thing, and maybe this like bluey teal sparkly thing. So there you go. With this Morphe M433 brush and this light transition shade, I'm gonna put that in my crease. Eyes are looking a little puffy today, but that's fine, you know. It's cool. This is what I get for filming first thing in the morning. Okay, now that we have some sort of shape, I don't know if you can tell any difference, but that's okay. That's a bus. I'm using this pencil brush that doesn't have a number on it, and whatever brush. Let me show you. Pick your color. I'm using that purpley pink. Take your whatever brush, find the angle that you like, and use that as a guide. I'm making it pretty intense. You don't have to do whatever you want. Okay, once you have some sort of shape down, I'm using a small fluffy brush. I'm actually using face powder just to blend out the edge of the liner, you know what I mean. kind of defined, but not too much. Be on the other side. Find your whatever brush. Make sure that it's clean in case, you know, from the other side it got dirty. Don't want to wipe it off. Or use another brush. Pick a color. Find the angle. Kind of. Okay, I'm gonna leave it because it's fine. Then, oh, I forgot. With the teeny weeny brush and that teal bluey color, doesn't matter what color it is, just use whatever you want. I'm just saying, this is what I'm using. I'm smudging that along the lower lash line. I go full raccoon first and then I blend it. Same brush, little to no product left on it. I'm not liking this color. Okay, I'm using this other green color because I want it more green. Then I'm lining my waterline with this Bobbi Brown gel liner in the shade Patina Ink. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Not really, just an angled brush will do. It's kind of greeny brown, just, you know. I can pull out. Oh no. We're clear, we're clear. Cool. For my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. I can't tell if it's drying out or if it's so cold that it's frozen. Right. Oh, is this like this the whole time? That's great. I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine. Right. So for bronzer, I'm actually using the same palette. I'm using maybe this color, maybe this color. I don't know. We'll see. Depending on your skin tone, you know, use whatever works for you. This is a MAC 135 brush. I don't know why the bronzer looks so bad on camera. It doesn't in person. It looks fine. I'm skipping blush because I want the eyes to be main focus. And I'm doing, what am I doing? What am I doing? I'm using MAC Soft and Gentle highlight and this Morphe R10 brush. Now with this tiny baby brush, possibly from Coastal Scents, not the point. I'm using the same highlighter under the brow. Just a little bit. And in my inner corner. Now I'm using mascara to finish off the eyes. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational. My eyes are watering. Why are you watering? You're not allowed to water. Fine, fine. Don't cry, cry. Just. Okay, we're gonna finish this. For lips, I'm using MAC Burnt Spice liquid lipstick. If I can do this. Oh. Anyways, I can take this off. Look at that. There you have it. This is the final look. What do you think?